Hi guys, today's a Friday, so we're going to the Marymount and Solar Life School from Elevator, and we're here at Lolo Tony's house from Lipa, Batangas, Dizon, Tambo, Village City. And then also, we are going outside to visit Lolo Tony. And we checked inside from nasa loob na siya. Then, pumasok kami ng car ni Tony, yung mommy's car. Then we went home and this is his house. Tapos, nag-goodbye niya sa amin. Tapos, pabalik niya ako ulit. Then, we went there inside. And also, we are going home from later. And we're going out, so I am at Lolo Tony's house. Then also, he remind me to get the statue or the stand by sa school. So we're going to his car. Then also, we are going to Marymount and Solar Life School first. So we're going to the elevator from the 13th floor. And goodbye first. Hello, we're here at Marymount in Solar Life School. And let's wait until it opens. Okay, here it is. Okay, the door opens. Okay, let's go to the 13th floor. When the door closes, let's wait to go up. Okay, so we're here at the 13th floor. So Miss Lucy gets Mama Mary, and I will magic the wand from Mama Mary and also the stand. Okay, so Miss Lucy get back, and we're here at the floor. Okay, so we're here at the ground floor. And also, let's go to the life school to Lolo Tony. Okay, so we're here at life school to Lolo Tony's house. So we're here at Lipa, Dizon, Tambo Village City, Mongolia Homes. And this is also known as Lolo Tony's house. Okay, so when we are getting out of the car, and let's wait for him to open the gate. Oh yeah, maybe I will open it, maybe you will. Okay, we're inside Miss Lucy house. I've been checking out this room. Living room, terraces, there are 4 fences, 3 gates, meron pa dito. Maybe it's really simple here. Then look at his house, it looks madumi. And look at him, he's nice. We check out the table, chairs, and we're going back to inside. Then he reminded me again if we check if it's safe. Then I got out. Me and Miss Lipsy, we got out because we're going to do it again. Ay nako, look at his car. He looks good. Then his stand. We respect to Mama Mary. Then after that, we're going to do it again. Ay nako. Okay, so he remind me to be here. And also, I've been checking it if it's okay. If it's not, I think it's not fair. And then we're going back again with Lolo Tony's house from number 16, 17.15 A and B, 74.76. Then we check again. And we've been looking at the fence, it looks clear. Since it's Saturday tomorrow, it's so fresh in there. Today's Friday the 20th. And then we are looking there. So, this one. And also, we're checking inside Lolo Tony's house. Then he reminded me again na naman when looking at the fence, if it's clean. And then looking back to the car, see. Meron silang trash cans, pigs, cats, and dogs. I don't know. Cage. Buwan ka po ulit. And we're here too. And we're outside. Then let's walk through here. We're here at the inside. We left there, no? Again, we were inside the car. And then also, we went away na. And also, the last day is, no? And we're going to Marymount and Solar Life School from Paranaque. This is my magic, no? And then, we are here at the elevator again. Then I pressed the button. And I've been waiting there. Me and Miss Lupsi are here. Okay, so here it is, the elevator. Okay, let's go to the 13th floor. When the door closes, let's wait until it goes up again. Okay, we're here at the 13th floor. Let's check from Mama Mary if it's okay. Okay, let's press to the ground floor na lang. Okay, so we're here at the 13th floor to ground floor. We're going down. Okay, so let's wait there until it goes. Okay, so we're here at the ground floor. And goodbye from Marymount and Solar Life School. And we're going to Lolo Tony's house again. Okay, so we're here at the Batangas, Lipa, Batangas City, from Mongolia. Here is his house. Here's his home. Okay, so look at him. So I've been waiting for him for a long time ago. Then let's wait until it goes open. Okay, so I am here. I was walking there through outside, and I have been looking at the fence. It was clear. Oh no, I coughed again. Look, there's a bucket. Oh my gosh, roof, stems, and also flowers. This is so nice, not pathetic. And also, I went there too, and I went outside. So since Friday the 20th today, me and Miss Lupsi helps the stand and goes back to Mama Mary, and she is changing the lipstick. Then I put the flower in. Since that I am at Mommy's car with Lolo Tony's car, I think so. And also we head home now. Bye Lolo Tony's house. See you soon. Okay, so we're here at the SLEX northbound. Oh, I like the supercar. That's super nice. Not stiffy, but I really like it. It looks like Mitsubishi Lancer. Looks so nice and wonderful. And also, I like the car because of 100 power gasoline. And there's a highway, and there are many cars, buses, trucks, and SUVs, motorcycles, and even more. You know what to do. Services. Okay, we're here now at SLEX and we'll wait until we get home. So we're going to Paranaque Don Bosco from Soledad, Different And now we are home, and we have Miss Lupsi and I helped her. Am I right, Miss? Oh, she's okay. Like and subscribe if you love me. Subscribe more videos, and goodbye.